Meet the pilandok, a tiny deer with a giant presence in Filipino folklore. Imagine a creature smaller than your average dog, but with a legendary reputation. Fact 1. First off, their name means mouse deer, and they're not your typical Bambi. Pilandoks are miniature marvels, standing only about a foot tall, yet they navigate dense forests with remarkable agility. Fact 2. But here's the enchanting part. Pilandoks are clever tricksters in folklore, outsmarting predators with their wit. Their stories teach lessons of cunning and resourcefulness, making them cultural icons. Fact 3. Despite their small stature, pilandoks play a big role in Filipino tales, embodying the spirit of resilience and intelligence in the face of challenges. So, think of the pilandok as a pint-sized hero